correction. Cause of the squint can include injury or imbalance of the muscle controlling the eyes. Misalignment may be constant or it may appear sometimes. Squint is a common condition that occurs in children and adults. There are two common types of squint, which are convergent squint and divergent squint. In convergent squint, eye turns inwards, and in divergent squint, eye turns downwards. The treatment of the squint depends upon the many factors like age, duration of the squint, visual acuity, presence of the glasses, to name a few. For children, checking power of glasses after putting dilating drops is essential. Sometimes glasses alone can cure squint. Amblyopia or lazy eye is often seen in children or adults with the long-standing squint. Amblyopia therapy includes usage of the weak eye more in order to strengthen it. Patching needs to continue for a long time as per your doctor's advice. Few cases may need surgery. The timing of the squint surgery depends upon the types of the squint, age of the patient, and vision of the patient. After surgery, eyes gain alignment, meaning squint is fully corrected. There are few stitches in the eyes which will dissolve by themselves, usually do not need to be removed. The eyes might appear red for at least 4 to 6 weeks post surgery. You can resume almost all your activities after 8 to 10 days post surgery. In every case of squint, chances of recurrence exists. Careful follow-ups and exercise needs to be done rigorously as advised. In few cases, squint surgery is done in stages, and in some cases, repeat surgery may be needed. Advantages of the squint surgery: cosmetic correction. Having squint in the eye can lead to low-key esteem and confidence in young children and even in adults that gets corrected after the surgery. Complications are overcorrection or undercorrection of the squint, redness of the eyes that will last about 6 to 8 weeks, infection, bleeding very rare, double vision in few cases, and usually it corrects by 2 to 3 weeks post surgery.